how to take an image and turn it into a melted sketch effect. Go to the Tools panel over here and select Selection Brush Tool. Now you may want to vary the width. I'm going to go with 5 pixels, but you could go with 8 pixels, etc. Go with Add Mode in the control bar. Snap to edges turn off, all layers turn off. You can also vary this, soft edges, try it out, which ones you like. And then just apply. Now I would suggest go over certain areas around the outline. So just quickly draw around that outline and then rapidly sketch with this selection to create very quick. Now you can vary the angle. So you can go to this and then again, very loosely, just change it, sketch around there. And of course you can also vary the size. You don't have to keep it 5 pixels. You could go and maybe make it 8 or 10. You can always change your mind as well with soft edges. You can always decide, you know what, I don't want that. And I find it a bit quicker. Seems to work a bit faster. Once you've done it, what you can then do is go to Edit and Copy, and then Edit and Paste. Then go to Select and Deselect. Doesn't look much changed. However, if you go over here to the Move tool, you can just shift it slightly and you can see the result. Creates a sort of glass distortion effect as well. But also what you can do, you can move around, try different angles, maybe resize. You can go here, it's a layer, so you can just go to Effects, click there, and you can go to 3D. So just set that on. Now obviously you don't want to push it too far. You don't want this radius. I think 5 pixels, 4, perfectly reasonable, and you can see the effect there. And you can change the direction, so you can move that around, go that way, up to you. I suggest about there, and you get a lovely 3D effect. Also maybe go for an outer shadow if you wish as well. Just change those, just move that, and you can see the effect there. However, click Close. You don't have to keep it just one layer. Hold down the Alt or Option key and duplicate this. And you can just drag, and you can also rotate it. Now I would suggest not rotating it too far. Maybe just slight change in angle, resize slightly if you wish. Otherwise the result will not be particularly looking like the earlier design. And again, hold down the Alt or Option key. Now you notice there's a few gaps here. Of course, I could have made the selection even better with time just to make certain it was perfect. And you can just move that around, resize it again, change the angle, and there. I think that's reasonable. Once you've done that, layer and merge visible. So they're all merged into a single design, single layer. And now, of course, what you can do, you can apply additional effects to that, distort it, modify it, tweak it, and recolor it if you wish, using layer and new adjustment layer and down to levels. I think it makes it slightly darker, of course, add in the shadow. Once you're happy with the result, close it. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. Thank you much.